Health benefits of saw palmetto review. Saw palmetto, Serenoa repens or Sable cerulata, is a plant used in herbal medicine. Often used to fight hair loss, saw palmetto is also commonly used for conditions affecting the prostate. Saw palmetto supplements typically contain extracts of the fruit of the plant. Health benefits in alternative medicine. Saw palmetto is said to aid in the treatment of health problems including asthma, benign prostatic hypertrophy (BPH), chronic pelvic pain syndrome, colds, coughs, migraine, prostate cancer, and sore throat. Saw palmetto is also thought to increase libido, as well as alleviate stress. Scientific studies have provided limited support for some of these benefits. BPH. One of the most common uses of saw palmetto is the treatment of BPH, a condition marked by enlargement of the prostate. BPH is not considered a serious health issue, but it often causes symptoms such as the increased need to urinate. It also may lead to urinary tract infections and other complications. Several small studies have shown that saw palmetto may help relieve BPH symptoms. However, a report published in the Cochrane Database of Systematic Reviews in 2012 found that saw palmetto may be ineffective in treating urinary symptoms associated with BPH. For this report, researchers analyzed 32 previously published clinical trials with a total of 5,666 participants. Their analysis determined that the use of saw palmetto did not improve urinary flow measures or prostate size in men with BPH-related lower urinary tract symptoms. Hair loss. Saw palmetto is said to inhibit the activity of 5-alpha reductase, an enzyme involved in converting testosterone to a hormone called dihydrotestosterone. Dihydrotestosterone appears to play a key role in the development of androgenic alopecia, a condition more commonly known as male pattern hair loss. While research on saw palmetto's effects against hair loss is limited, there's some evidence that it may help treat androgenetic alopecia. In a pilot study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine in 2002, for instance, a group of males with mild to moderate androgenetic alopecia showed a highly positive response to treatment with saw palmetto and beta-sitosterol. The study's authors partly attributed this finding to saw palmetto's possibly blocking the activity of 5-alpha reductase. Other benefits. Emerging research suggests that saw palmetto shows promise in the treatment of certain other health conditions. For example, a small study published in the Swiss journal Urologia Internationalis in 2010 found that saw palmetto may be of some benefit to patients with chronic prostatitis, chronic pelvic pain syndrome. In the study, 102 patients with chronic prostatitis, chronic pelvic pain syndrome were split into two groups. The first group received a combination of saw palmetto, selenium, and lycopene. The second group received saw palmetto alone. After 8 weeks of treatment, both groups showed a significant improvement in symptoms. There's also some evidence that taking saw palmetto prior to undergoing prostate surgery may reduce the time spent in surgery, as well as blood loss, the development of problems during surgery, and total time spent in the hospital. There is not enough scientific data to provide a recommended dose of saw palmetto. In studies evaluating the effect of saw palmetto on prostate surgery patients, a dose of 320 mg of saw palmetto extract was taken daily for 2 months before surgery. The appropriate dose for you may depend on factors including your age, gender, and medical history. Speak to your healthcare provider to get personalized advice. PLZ. Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.